Okay, let's do number 33. Let me see. 12 quarts equals how many micrograms? You keep getting, excuse me, 11 billion, excuse me, 11,400 million. And I think that's actually pretty close to the answer. I hope we have the same PowerPoint, so we're looking at the same answer key. 12 quarts is, yeah, this is a possible answer. 11,400 million is perfectly fine. Now, again, like I said before, depending on which conversion factor you use, the answer can vary. And you'll never see a question as ridiculous as this one. Never in real life would you ever have to convert quarts to micrograms. But still, there are cases where the metric problems that Professor Fofi has on his exams do vary by a few tenths or hundredths of a point, and he doesn't dock for those. So let's run through this one anyway, just to make sure, just to take a look at how it can be solved. This is 33, and it's 12 quarts. It's how many micrograms? Okay. So, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And we've got, what else? We're going to be using 1 gram, 1 milliliter, 1 cubic centimeter of pure water. And if we look at, we're also going to need 1 liter equals 1.06 quarts, or 1 quart is 0.95 liters. Either or. And we'll do it both ways. Now, if we take a look at what path we're going to take, we can do quarts. This is what we're starting with. We're going to go from quarts to, liters, to milliliters, to grams, right? Using this one right here. And then from grams to micrograms. And yes, it can be done 2 different ways. So we'll do it twice. I hope I don't run out of room. So we'll start with 12 quarts over 1 and a conversion factor. Probably going to need several, so I'll just start filling them in. Quarts and liters, liters and milliliters, milliliters and grams, and finally grams to micrograms. And we'll do it again because we'll do it twice. 12 quarts. We'll do it twice because we'll use both of these conversion factors. We'll use this one first. So 1 liter is 1.06 quarts. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Because of this conversion factor right here, there's 1 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1 milliliter of pure water. So we will put that in there. And then here, one of the larger units, and then we'll count how many micrograms are in there. So 1 gram, which is a base, and we'll count to micro here. 1, 2, 3, 4, don't forget these dots, 5, 6. Which gives us 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a million. So we'll put a million right here. Okay? And we'll do the same. Everything is the same on the second one except for this first conversion factor, which will be 1 quart is 0.95 liters. Everything else is the same. 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter, 1 gram, 1 milligram, and a million micrograms. in 1 gram. So let's calculate both of them. 12 times 1,000 times 1,000,000 divided by 1.06. 1 billion, is that billion? 1698, okay. This is a ridiculous number. Okay, so that can be rounded up if you want to 717. That is 100,000 million billion. 11,320,754,716.98 or 717. So this could be a 17 if you wanted it to be, if you wanted to round up. Oh, let's take a look at the second one and see what other answer we could get, which is probably going to be pretty close. 12 times 0.95 times 1,000 times 1,000,000. That is 11,400,000,000, which is our other possible answer. Whoops, sorry. I keep pressing this button on my pen, and so that moves the screen. Sorry about that. 11,400,000,000. There's the thousands and the hundreds place. And that's it. And those are the possible answers. And it looks like you got that, so that's perfectly fine. Well done. Okay, let's move on to our last question.